Hey guys, touch delay everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's recipe I'm going to show you how to make garlic spaghetti. It's very easy and delicious this recipe, and hopefully you guys also love this recipe. And let's get started how to make. And before watching video, please do not forget to subscribe, like, share with your friends and family. So first I'm gonna boil the pasta. For this we need add half teaspoon salt. After start to boil the water, I'm gonna add my spaghetti. You can use any kind of pasta. Now I'm gonna boil for 7 to 8 minutes in normal high heat. Now same time you have to prepare the sauce also, and the sauce ingredient very simple. We need 2 eggs, so here I'm gonna make for 2 person. So if you are making for 1 person, you can go with only 1 egg. Now I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons milk. The next ingredient is main ingredient. We need a Parmesan cheese. It's kind of cheese powder. You will find very easily in market. Now I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons Parmesan cheese. After that I'm gonna add half teaspoon black pepper. Now we have to mix it all ingredient very nicely. Now our pasta sauce is ready. Now set aside the sauce and move on the pasta. Check the pasta is cooked or not. And by the way, do not cook over your pasta. So when you mix it, then it will easily break. Now turn on the heat and I'm gonna stand the water. And don't throw the water, we need later some water. Now I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons olive oil and 1 tablespoon butter. In this recipe we need little oil and butter. So if you don't like butter, you can go with 3 tablespoons olive oil. After that I'm gonna add roughly chopped the garlic. So here I already chopped my garlic. Now fry the garlic until not golden brown color. You have to fry. Once the golden brown color the garlic, now it's time to add spaghetti. And you have to mix it very nicely. Now I'm gonna add boiled pasta water, 5 tablespoons I'm gonna add. It will make your pasta with little gravy. Now add some black pepper. By the way, if you like spicy, you can add spicy also. So here I'm gonna make non-spicy. Now you have to put in before make pasta sauce this directly. And mix it very nicely. Now it's ready to serve. My spaghetti is ready. Now serve in 2 portions. So this is the garlic spaghetti, so I like to keep little garlic chop on. And finally I'm gonna add some little Parmesan cheese, just a little bit. After that I'm gonna add just a little bit black pepper also. So by the way, if you like spicy, you can definitely add chili oil or chili powder. So my friends, this is my final result, and hopefully you guys enjoy this recipe. So if you like this video, and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to leave comment below how it is. And for more video guys, please do not forget to subscribe, like, share with your friends and family, and enjoy my homemade recipe. And thank you so much for watching my video, and we'll see you in next video. Bye bye.